Hi, welcome to Robertson. Right now we're standing in the 2-bedroom Superior and I'm going to show you what it looks like. In this apartment you have your own little laundry room with a washing machine, so you can wash all your clothes. And right next to it is the kitchen. In this kitchen you have everything you need. You have enough storage space, a fridge, a freezer, a sink as well, a microwave, a stove, a water cooker and a toaster. Right next to the kitchen is the first bathroom. Here you have your toilet, storage space and a rain shower as well. And attached to the bathroom is this huge bedroom. Here you have a couch, a lot of storage space, so you can fit all of your clothes in there. A beautiful king-size bed. And what's great about this room is that you have a beautiful view at the KL Tower and even the KL Twin Towers in the back. So let's continue to the living room. In the living room you see that you have a dinner table to have your meals. And here you have a couch with a nice TV in front of it. And of course you have a beautiful view here as well at the KL Tower and the KL Twin Towers as well. Let's head to the last room. This room you also have a beautiful view and of course a bed, but the bed is not just for one person. You can slide this out and then you have a two-person bed. And thank you for watching, that was all, and I hope to see you soon.